Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Dumpukht Biryani. For this here I have taken half kilo of mutton, 1 heaped cup of curd, and I have whisked the curd without adding any water. 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 large cinnamon stick broken into pieces, 6 to 8 cloves, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and juice of 1 lemon. Now here in the skillet I have added half cup of oil. It is heated. Now in the oil I will add cinnamon and cloves. Bismillah. Ginger garlic. Bismillah. I will saute the ginger and garlic for a minute. Now after sauteing ginger and garlic with the spices for a minute, now I will add in mutton. And now I will cook the mutton till it changes its color. Now here I have cooked the mutton for 10 minutes and see it has changed the color. Now I will add in lemon juice. Bismillah. Spices, salt and chili powder, bismillah, and curd, bismillah. Now along with curd I will add in 3 cups of water. Now here I have added 3 cups of water, and now I will cook this covered on very low flame till mutton is tender. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have cooked this mutton for 3 hours. This mutton is tender. I have checked and see still the water is there. This should be dried. And here in this other skillet I have added sufficient water along with salt to taste. Now in this water I will add few ingredients. Rice half kilo, and I have soaked the rice for couple of hours. 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds, 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now in this boiling water I will add these spices: caraway seeds, cumin, cardamom and bay leaf. Bismillah. And now along with the spices I will add in rice and I will boil the rice. Now see, I have cooked this mutton for 3 hours and at this stage see the water has evaporated and this gravy has thickened. Here I have boiled the rice. Now in the mutton I will add 1 cup of spring onions, both white and green, half cup of fried onion, and here I have mixed together 1/4 teaspoon of yellow color, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a large pinch of saffron. I hope this is visible. I have diluted this in 2 tablespoons of water. Now here in the mutton I will add spring onions. Bismillah. Fried onion. Bismillah. And now I will cover the curry with the rice. Now here I have added the rice, and now over the rice I will add this color mix. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook this covered on very low flame for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yum. MashaAllah. Very scrumptious biryani is ready. Just lightly fluff up the rice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very simple, easy and different style of Dumpukht biryani is ready to be served. You can serve this with salad, yogurt dip and fried potatoes. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care in the Hafiz.